Hey, what's up? It's the Nerf Herder,
I'm Super B.
and we're bringing you the September 2014 Loot Crate. And that's a geeky subscription box. Comes to you every month. This month's theme is Galactic. So let's open it up and see what's inside.
Ooh, Pop Rocks.
First up, we've got some green apple Pop Rocks. And of all the flavors, green apple is like the most disgusting flavor ever made.
I still have it.
But he'll still have it. And what's next?
Star Trek Tribble. What's a Tribble?
It's a Tribble! That's exactly what it is. It's a Tribble. And if you don't know what a Tribble is, you know what? Take your geek card, slide it under the door because you don't deserve it. It's a Tribble. It's like the iconic. Okay, so it's a ball of hair. It's just a little puff ball. And I will still cherish it.
It's a little hairy puffball.
Yes. There he is. My very own Tribble.
It's soft.
He's soft.
Very soft.
Stinky. Alright, and what do we got next?
A science fiction figure. Here. Wonder what it's in.
Science fiction vinyl. He
says a mystery.
looks like somebody I know.
It's a mystery
It
mini.
is a mystery mini.
Let's find out who it is.
Word on the street. And by street, I mean the internet. Is that there's a Firefly item. And, you know, that's a brown coat right there if I've ever seen one. So let's...
And that little puppy.
Not only is it a little Mal, it is a Loot Crate exclusive. You can't see in the little picture there, he's just got like a little handgun. And here he's got a rifle. So
You did up a
little different just for Loot Crate. Pretty cool. Okay, and what's next?
Alien.
Alien.
Alien. It's an alien.
Alien. That is in fact an alien.
An alien is an alien.
And there you go. Now you can see it. He's
I've
an
seen an
alien.
alien.
And
That.
looks like his little tongue sticks out, possibly. He does, in fact. Yes, he does. See that? Right there, he's got tongue action.
Tongue action.
And his evil brains glow in the dark.
Ooh. That's cool.
And bring out the next thing.
What's this? It's a bunch of money.
Is money. Is money.
What kind of money?
If I were a betting man, I would say that's Firefly money.
Must be rich Firefly money right now.
A lot of good it does you. Won't even fit in a wallet. Bring out the next one.
Ooh, what's this? A magnet of a very old retro game.
Oh, it's
Man.
like Asteroids, only with Star Wars. And
Ah,
I totally got that upside down. Look at that. Even better. Star Wars Asteroids
that's so cool.
Magnet.
That is so cool.
By the time I'm done with these Loot Crate things, My whole entire refrigerator is going to be full of magnets
From LootCrate.
from LootCrate. Next!
Button.
Button.
Oh. Button. Sorry.
Button.
Button. Look at that.
Button.
Yeah.
Clank, 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 clank.
Yeah, okay.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Okay.
Fall into savings. That is a ad. What's next? Keep it going.
Okay. How about this?
What that?
Huh.
Halo. Halo digital content.
For what?
Probably need a Halo account.
Ouch. Magazine. Magazine.
Galactic magazine.
There we go.
Right there. And there it is. Firefly exclusive Mal.
Mal.
Right there. Mal.
Mal.
And yep. Bank robbery money is what the money is called. Just so you know. Alright.
Yeah, I'm getting it. Little snack. What's up?
Han Solo and Carbonite.
Oh! I'm so lucky we have that.
Poster. But it's Han Solo and Carbonite. That is going on the wall
Yeah, it's
in
got
the
him.
living room above the fireplace.
It's got him.
And guess what?
That's it. And the box is decorated with...
That is all that's in the box.
It's decorated very
And
well.
that is the Star Wars ship right there. And we got R2-D2 hanging out.
Nice.
And then there's grass or something at the bottom there. So it's like a... There you go, Hangar Bay. That's
Hey,
totally what it is. Hey, what?
R2-D2. It's hiding in the corner.
I said that already.
Oh.
Okay, to recap.
Our alien.
We got an alien.
We had our little magnet.
We got a magnet.
Got our little action figure guy.
Mal exclusive.
Tribble. Button.
Button.
This
Magazine.
paper.
Han Solo. Poster.
Carbonite.
Ad.
Pop rocks.
Pop rocks.
Add something.
Digital content.
Money.
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 I'm gonna go see some Galactic strippers.
Oh God.
And that's it?
Yep.
Alright, and once again, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Let me know. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. I don't care. Hit a button. Push. It gets you pushing things. Hit the words on the screen. It says, click here to subscribe. Click that. Click it. It's beckoning you. It's like, whoa, 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 whoa. Click me to subscribe. Anyways, thank you. Until next time.